Do your notes look like this? Pages everywhere, zero structure, and when exams are just around the corner, total panic? It's a frustrating cycle, right? You spend hours taking notes, but they end up being a chaotic mess that's impossible to study from. But what if I told you there's a simple, incredibly effective way to turn your notebook into a powerful study tool that actually gets you the results you want? What if you could study less, but learn more? This is the LM Notebook or Learning Management Notebook. And no, it's not just a fancy name for paper. It's your personal study system. Think of it as your academic command center. It's a planner that keeps you on track, a progress tracker that holds you accountable, and a results booster all rolled into one beautiful, organized package. It is the secret weapon you've been missing to take control of your learning and finally stop feeling overwhelmed. So, how do you set it up? It's super easy. First, create a goals page. At the beginning of your notebook, write down your big academic goals for the semester, then break them down into smaller, weekly, or monthly targets. This gives you direction and purpose. Next, get organized with your notes. Use dividers or dedicated sections for each subject. For every lecture, use clear headings, write down key concepts, and leave space in the margins for questions or keywords. The goal is clarity, not clutter. Then, add a progress tracker. This could be a simple grid with checkboxes or a habit tracker page. Every time you complete a study session for a subject, tick it off. This visual feedback is incredibly motivating and helps you see how consistent you are. Finally, and this is crucial, create a review section. At the end of each week, dedicate a page to reflect on your studies. Ask yourself, what worked well? What didn't? Which topics were confusing? This weekly check-in helps you adjust your strategy and stay on top of your game. Want to make it even more powerful? Try these quick hacks. Use color coding. Assign a specific color to each subject for instant visual organization. After each topic, write a one-sentence mini summary at the bottom. This forces you to distill the most important information. Create a quick revision page for each subject, where you collect all the essential formulas, definitions, or key dates. And most importantly, do that weekly review. It's your secret to continuous improvement. When you use the LM Notebook consistently, you'll notice a huge difference. Your grades will improve, your stress levels will drop, and your confidence will soar. It's not magic, it's just smart, intentional organization. You're no longer just passively taking notes. You're actively managing your learning process. So, are you ready to transform your study habits? Grab a notebook, set up your LM system, and start managing your learning like a pro. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more study tips, and share this with a friend who needs it. Let's study smarter together. Thanks for watching.